Alright, now the question is in IELTS listening, multiple choice questions, they narrate all the options. They talk about all the options. So how to identify which option is right and which option is wrong? That's what you want to ask. Okay, good question. Listen, in IELTS listening module, multiple choice questions are very common in part 3, number 1. Then they may come in part 2. And if you are not lucky, then they will be in part 1 also. Right? Yeah. Okay, part 1 maybe they can be multiple choice questions. Sometimes even in part 4. These are the old patterns of IELTS. So, because they have around 1000 plus IELTS tests. So they give you any test. And they don't care. For them it's not new old. Right? If you go back to Cambridge IELTS book number 1, 2, 3, 4, you will see the old pattern. So in actual exam, like a couple of months ago, one of my students got multiple choice questions in part 1. Right, so everything is possible there. Now, to answer your question, how to identify? Listen, what ability or what skill they want to check through multiple choice questions? They want to see whether you can differentiate right information from wrong information or not. Right? 3 options, 2 options give you wrong information. 1 option give you right information. They want to see your understanding level of English, that whether you can differentiate right information from wrong information or not. Now, how to differentiate that? The first thing is, I'm talking about multiple choice with 3 options in listening. The first thing is, they will not speak about these 3 options in order. If it could be in order, it could be much easier. Right? They will not speak about these 3 options in order. They speak about these 3 options in random order. Right? They may start from option C. After C, they go back to option A. Then they come to option B, right? Now, the options which are wrong, for them they speak negatively or oppositely. They usually use the word we considered opening an office in New York. And option A is company will open an office in New York. They say, we considered opening an office in New York. And the people like, Pole Bajya, yeah, New York, yeah, I got it, good, very good. Yeah, 9 band, pakka. Okay, they think like that. So whenever they say the word we considered, we thought, we expected, usually with these words, options are wrong. Right? Those options should be eliminated. Eliminated means you have to cross such type of options. So whenever they speak about them negatively, they speak about the options oppositely. They use the word neither nor. They use the word nor, nor, right? Nor and then complete statement in the same way. Nor opening an office in New York. Nor means it's not actually something they are going to do. So in multiple choice questions, the best approach is, instead of looking for the right answer, look for the wrong answer. You'll be surprised. Wrong answer ka humne kya karna hai? Cross karna hai. When you cross the wrong answer, you will be left with right answer. That's the game. Okay, so in IELTS listening multiple choice, instead of looking for right answer, find the wrong answer. For example, they're speaking about option A. And they say, we consider or we thought or anything like that. You sit there, DSC, DTSC, cross. Yeah, then within your heart, आपका जो भी level है गालियाँ देने का, मेरा यहीं तक है. So you can go on with that, okay? Yeah, हर एक का level होता है ना, मेरा बस यहीं तक है. Okay, so otherwise you listen to another option and then you realize, yeah, this is also wrong. So if you successfully, number 1, eliminate one wrong option, your success rate is 50-50. हम तुक्का भी लगूगा when it is 50-50, right? Because I mean chances are like 50-50, and if you successfully eliminate 2 wrong choices, now your success rate is 100%. And sometimes if you don't understand the option, you can put a question mark. And another skill which you have to develop, you should know where the audio is. If the audio is on option A, your pen should be there. It's not that audio is on option C and you're waiting at A. Yeah, this is how you'll never find it. Okay, so you should, and how to be there? From each option you can underline any important word. That when you clue word. If they talk about this thing, now audio is here. Now audio is here. Now audio is here. So through practice you can develop it. It is something like that will take some time. Solve IELTS listening test every day, at least 1 to 2 tests, and focus more on multiple choice questions. Eliminate wrong choices, and inshallah you'll be left with the right answer. Right? Thank you.